Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? Today we're going to start a fresh week and we're going to start with my savings challenge. For those of you who are new here, this is my third time and it will be my last time for the year to do this challenge. And this time around, it's a 100 and blue savings challenge, but we're going to twist it a little bit. Very easy way to do it. And for today, I'm gonna kickstart it. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being part of my friends. This is a challenge that I've been doing for the OG. You guys know I love you guys so much. They know this challenge, and I have a playlist from the ones that I did previously, so you can go watch it. And if you love this, let me know in the comment. So today we're gonna kickstart it. So it's 100 MB savings challenge, like I said, but this one is a twist a little bit. And this time around, last time I did do, let me put it here so you guys can see everything. Last time I did 2 at a time. This time around, I'm going to do 3 at a time. But you can do whatever you want to do. You can follow along like what I'm doing. Or you can do 2 at a time. You can do 1 at a time. But me, every week, I'm going to do 3 at a time. And for my tens, I'm going to do multiples of 10 instead of 10 or 1 plus 0 is 1. All that we are doing is that when we get to double numbers, we add them instead of putting the same number, which I'm going to show you. You're going to see every trick of it. I hope you are doing very well. So today, like I said, we are starting the 100 and blue savings challenge. And for my 100 and blue savings challenge, I do have it in my shop. And I'm doing 30% off. So by the time you see this video, you can go check it out. The link will be in my description below. Before I get started, let me close it so that you guys will know what challenge we are doing. It's 100 MB savings challenge with a twist. So for this 100 MB savings challenge, when you buy it, it comes with 4 different type of challenge, and the one that I'm doing is part of it. The regular 100 MB savings challenge is also part of it. So whichever way you want to do it, we have them addition one, we have the one you do yourself, we have the regular one. Let me go ahead and arrange my money into the divisions, then we will start this challenge. I'm super excited. I'm starting it again. I want to finish it before the year end, and by God willing, next year I'm going to do every quarter. So it means I'll do like 4 times next year if God willing. I hope you guys are following also my challenging videos that I'm putting out. I'm doing it like in a short form so that it won't be boring, but I might do long videos about it. Not yet. I haven't decided that one yet. But if you've been following it, my short videos when it comes to my investment, please go ahead and leave me a comment. We started 30-day a month challenge that we are doing on Cash App. It's a brokerage account. If you haven't seen that video yet, it's coming out today as well, so check it out. It's just $30. If you already have a brokerage account, you can also follow along. $30 a month. I picked 3 investments and we save $10 under each, and we're just going to see how we will lock in this by the end of the year. We have 3 months. It means we just need only $30 $90 to start if we're doing $30 every month. And all the investment that I'm picking is very cool. Trust me. Go check that video out. It's already, I think by the time you see this, that one is already up. Super excited about it. So now let's go ahead and start. Like I said, very easy. So we're gonna do $1. From last time I saved about 1,000 over, and that one went to my student loan, and I did put some also in my brokerage account for investment. $2. Oh, I didn't count the money. I think we should count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29. 1, 2, 3. So this make it 30. Then this is 20. So that makes it 50. Then plus this will be 40. So we are putting in $40. So this is $2. I have to count that money before we continue. Then $3. Then we do have $4. Then we do have $5. Then we do have $6. Then we do have $7. Then we have $8. Then we have $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sure. Then we have $10. So multiples of 10, instead of adding, I'm just going to do exact amount. So it's the same thing when I get to 20, I'll do the same thing. Then 1 plus 1 will be 2. Instead of 11, we are putting 2. That makes this challenge very fun. Like I said, this is the 3rd time we are doing it this year. Then 12, instead of 12, we are not doing 12, we are doing 1 plus 2, which should be $3. So that makes it simple, so it doesn't matter how much, it doesn't matter if you are rich or poor, whichever amount you can put. Like I said, you can follow along like what I did, or you can do maybe one at a time by following along. It's the same thing, and I'll have the video in a playlist so that you can check it out. Don't forget that I do have the challenge in my shop. So I'll go ahead and check what I did today. Yes. Or maybe I should paint the top. Let's see. Or maybe that one will make it nice to show that I did it one. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, look at that. How cute it is. I'm loving it. Okay, so that's the pen we're going to use throughout the challenge, I think. Okay, so is this not cute? This is so cute. Let me go ahead and do the math and see whether we did it. So we did have 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2 plus 3. So let me look at 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 plus 3. So $60. So we did put in $60. Yep. Super cool. So thanks for joining me today. You will see me next week for the same video, but I'm going to post video every day from Monday to Friday. I'm trying to check how I'm going to post my video for this month starting tomorrow. Hopefully starting today. Hopefully it will work out if I post Monday to Friday, because it kind of seems like weekend is crazy for me no matter how hard I try. Yep. So I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.